Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, and the color of the day is orange. It's for the teachers. So if everybody can wear orange and take a picture, that would be great, and send it to us. We'd really appreciate it. So today I'm going to read a book, and it's about the alphabet. So it's called Animal Alphabet by Joshua George. Learn the alphabet with animal friends. So all the letters that we read are going to show you an animal that starts with that letter. Look inside. Who can you see? It's to learn your ABCs. From A, which is an alligator, to Z, which is a zebra. There's an animal friend for every letter of the alphabet. Anybody see that? A is for alligator, and it sounds like ah. B is for bear. It sounds like buh, buh, buh. C is for cat, who has stripy hair. K is the sound that a C makes. D is for dolphin. I can't make a sound for a dolphin, but the D goes da 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 da. See the purple dolphin? E is for eel. E, E, E. See the eel? They live in the ocean, so you don't really see them too much. F is for fox, whose tail's soft and feel. See, F is the sound that an F makes. G is for goose. G, G, goose. See the goose? H is for horse. H. I is for iguana. He's a lizard, of course. Iguana. J is for jaguar. It's a type of cat. J, like Jessie. K is for kiwi. They're showing little birds. Those are called kiwis. And the sound the K makes is k, like kite. L is for lion. He's a big sweetie. Look at how big that lion is. And he has all his friends with him. And the sound that L makes is L, like love, live, lion. M is for monkey. And the sound that M makes is monkey, money. N is for nightingale. Nightingale is a bird. See that type of bird? See him sitting on the branch? And the sound that N makes is N, like night or nose. O is for otter, who has a long tail. There's an otter. You don't see too many of those animals. You may not even know what that is. O is otter, open. A couple of words that start with the letter O. P is for penguin. We all know what a penguin is. The sound of a P goes puh, puh, puh. Q is for queen bee. Look at the queen bee. Quah, quah, quah. Quick, quack. Queen. R is for raccoon. They are very naughty. R makes a R sound, like raccoon. Rubber, red. Just some examples. S is for squirrel. We all know what a squirrel makes, and the sound of an S goes S. A snake, snow, squirrel. Just some example words that start with the letter S. T is for turkey. See the turkey? That's what we eat at Thanksgiving, right? Big turkey goes gobble, 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 gobble. But it's T, turn, top, turkey. U is for urchins, which their spines so perky. The urchins live in the sea, so they're really called sea urchins. But the letter that U makes is like umbrella. V is for vulture. That's a type of bird. But look at how big that bird is. And the sound of a V goes V, like victory. W is for whale. See the big blue whale? And that sounds wah. Water, white, whale. X is for x-ray. See the little fish, they had x-rays done? In x-ray you could see their bones. That's a hard letter. Xylophone, which doesn't really sound like an X, but X is very, very hard. So x-ray is a good word for it. Y is for yak. And for Yorkshire Terrier. There's a yak. It's like it kind of like lives on the farms in the fields. Looks like a buffalo, but the Y goes wah, like yak, yellow, yep, yes. Where's the Yorkshire Terrier? Here he is. And there's the Yorkshire Terrier, which is a dog. And yellow, the yellow sun. Z is for zebra. The more the merrier. Zebra. Lots of zebras on this page. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Z starts with the letter zoo, and it's Z. Zoo, zebra. So that's the last letter of the alphabet. So let's sing a song, and we're gonna just sing the song of all the alphabets and the animals that we just did. We're just gonna redo it and sing along with me. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you come and sing with me? Wow, that was a great book. I love that. So every animal has a special letter that goes with it. So if you want, you practice your alphabet. You can watch the video at any time. And I would love to see anybody wearing the color orange today. So if you can, it's a beautiful day outside, and you could send a picture and send it to us. We would really, really love that. So I'll speak to you later. I love you, miss you. Bye, friends. Enjoy the day. It's going to be beautiful. Bye-bye.